will be playing Aeroplane Story. Let's do this. Okay, Alex, where are you sitting?
I'm sitting there.
I'm in J7. Oh, my name. That's nice, isn't it?
I'm in I11. I'm scared, bro.
You're nowhere near me. Alex, Alex, look.
Hello.
Alex, hello. Alex. Yeah, Alex's avatar is so drip, isn't it, Alex?
It's so tricky, isn't it?
It definitely isn't a new account we just made. Yeah, definitely. We should change our name to OG. Alex, we can look out the window.
Can we? Oh my gosh.
Look. No, can't anymore.
Jay, I can.
I used to. Oh yeah, you can.
Yeah, you can, but it changes. So.
Oh, no, so no. Look, there's a med kit out there. There's a med kit.
Is there? Can I see?
It's a med kit.
What is that sound?
No, I hate it. It's just a med kit. Like, look, Alex, look, it's just a med kit.
I can't sit down. Can you only sit down in your seat?
Yeah.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah, wait, Alex, sit in your seat.
It wouldn't let me sit in it.
Is that even your seat?
Yes.
Run number 10,
Oh.
I think. Just
No,
get
don't tell me this guy's sitting with me.
Get in your seat! Oh my god! You don't even want to go in the seats! Okay, let's hope this time we don't get the ball. Okay, we can get up now. Get ready for the food.
I like snacks. Snacks are very nice.
Alex.
Hi, food person.
Hello. Sandwiches! Do not eat them.
Save them.
Unless you're low HP like them, guys. Alex, we can't open them yet. Even though there's someone about to be allergic, I think. Well, I'm going to guess someone's about to be allergic.
Really?
Yeah.
Good guess.
Because we definitely never played this before. Alex, help me! Alex, help!
Oh.
Alex, help! Oh, I'm stuck. Okay. It's not opening. What's his name? Yara.
Yara Lamona.
Is that it?
Yara.
What colour would it be? Green? What colour would it be? I found Rouge. I found Tamonco.
We just let them down. Oh, I found Yara's.
No, because then the Bonge.
I found Yara's.
Where?
Found it. I found Jay. Stop taking the.
I'm in it too.
Jay. I hate you, you know.
You just did that.
You.
That. I believe me.
Okay.
Okay, I'll sit in my seat with Alex in it. Sorry.
Good night, babe. Good night. Stay tight.
What's that noise? Alex?
Music, Jay.
Oh, no. What's that on the right wing again?
Right.
There's no right wing this time. Oh, yeah, there is. Alex, do you remember when this is scary? Do you remember when the scary bit comes? But I hate the scary bit, don't you? Oh!
Jay, something's on the wing. The right wing.
Guys, what is that?
I'm running. No. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no.
Guys?
I'm not going to.
Guys, if you're 3 years old, do not watch this video.
Or 5.
If you're below 9 years old, do not watch this video. Safety purposes only.
Why is he so big and... You.
Alex?
Jay. What?
Alex! Steer the seat. Get in the locker thing. I'm in the locker.
Okay.
I'm scared.
Okay.
Alex, you should change your name badge.
Jay. I'm scared. Where? Jay, there's an open restroom.
I'm
Jay,
levitating.
the green one. Okay, come on, Jay. Snape's below us.
Get in quick.
Right, follow me.
Why is no one coming in? Oh. Come in. Whoa. What? Oh my gosh. What did you come in the toilet?
That was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening.
That's an potato. Yeah, we definitely did make this account 2 seconds ago. Yeah, definitely. No, we didn't. I said definitely. Don't ban me again. Guys, please subscribe to our channel. And then we'll I haven't said anything for the whole thing, have I? No. Have I, guys? In the comments, say if I have or not.
Everyone but you.
Oh no, no. Alex, get out of your seat really quickly. Get the oxygen mask. Oh no, bad news. Oh, bad news. Oh no, good news. Okay. Power back up, let's go. Oh. Oh no, I'm scared. Get one mask. Wait, where did they go?
I got one. Over here.
Oh, I got one.
Teammate, please get one. Jay, don't!
No, they got it.
This guy have one. Yes. Except one. Oh no.
One person did it. No! Okay, I'm scared for later. Do you think this is the end yet? Oh, let's go. This might be the end, Alex.
Oh, now my actual mask can actually get some. Jay. No.
Is this the end yet?
Yeah.
It's the end. Let's go, guys. That's it. I thought that was it for today's video, guys. I think it is. They're just returning us back to lobby, right? Right? I think still up. No, they're not. What you mean? Alex!
Jay, Jimmy, get off, get out.
No! Alex has a bomb! I said something.
Save me!
Scissors.
Save me! Jay!
Not come down because...
Bombs.
Guys, what do we do? I'm scared.
Oh no.
I'm scared! What cable should I cut, guys? Oh no. What do I do, Alex?
Do something!
Blue!
No, Jay, I feel like you're just killing me. I'll run away, Jay, don't worry. Goodbye.
No! No, Alex, I will win this for you.
Win this for me, I sacrificed myself.
I will win this for you. Guys, it's just me left. No. My Alex is gone. I'm sorry, Alex. Oh god, I think Alex actually got. No! Where's the crew gone? Guys, this is very creepy. Alex is gone and the crew is gone. Like, what do I do? Yes, that one neuropodic. Wish Alex was here. Alex isn't here and she's like, what the hell? That noise is back. What do we do? Wait, why am I so much taller than this person? But anyways, what? Guys, I'm sorry. Alex has left the game because he died of emotional damage. What do we do? I wish Alex was here. He knows what to do. I wonder if there's like a key card somewhere. Just open the drawers maybe. Scissors. I wish I could just jump out here. Can you see the stars out there, guys? What are those stars? Alex. I don't know what to do, guys. Alex, if you were here, watch. Where? Go to the captain room. How? Guys. Oh, Alex. It's a creature! What do you mean? What have I done? Ollie, I believe. Oh, I know where it is. I saw it earlier, guys. Remember? So, guys, we did this. And rest in peace, Alex. Maybe in the next video. Hope. No, everyone is not okay. 10 billion people died. It's just me and the unicorn. Guys, I'm so scared. Oh no. Another task. I don't know what to do, guys. Okay. I did it, guys. I'm in the sea. My co-pilot now. I don't even know what's going on. There's only one other person. But if I die, I'm gonna be cooked. What the hell? I just need to be alive. Okay, thank you. Crash this plane and we will no. Guys, I'm sorry about this. I had to do it. Ha, ha. Guys, I won! Yes! Guys, okay. That's it for today's video. We'll see you all later. Bye!